It's important to understand the Python execution model and precisely when function definitions and other important events occur when a module is imported or executed. Here we show execution of our Python module in the PyCharm graphical debugging environment. We step through the top-level statements in the module. What's important to realize here is that the def used for the fetchwords function isn't merely a declaration. It's actually a statement which, when used in sequence with the other top-level module scope code, causes the code within the function to be bound to the name of the function. When modules are imported or run, all of the top-level statements are run, and this is the means by which functions within the module namespace are defined. We're sometimes asked about the differences between Python modules, Python scripts, and Python programs. Any Py file constitutes a Python module, but as we have seen, modules can be written for convenient import, convenient execution, or, using the if name equals main idiom, both. We strongly recommend making even simple scripts importable, since it eases development and testing so much if you can access your code from the Python REPL. Likewise, even modules which are only ever meant to be imported in production settings benefit from having executable test code. For this reason, nearly all modules we create have this form of defining one or more importable functions with a postscript to facilitate execution. Whether you consider a module to be a Python script or a Python program is a matter of context and usage. It's certainly wrong to consider Python to be merely a scripting tool in the vein of Windows batch files or Unix shell scripts, as many large and complex applications have been built exclusively with Python.